Hi humans, welcome to the Architects Workshop. I'm Lola Ofto. Previous episodes of the free Revit 101 course are linked in the top right hand corner on your screen. Just click on the eye. In this tutorial, we're going to name our rooms. So how do we do that? We'll just go to room under your architecture tab, click on room, and then try and put in the box in the space. But as you can see, our boxes are not fitting into any of the rooms because it cannot find a bounding line. If you try and place it, it's going to tell you rooms are not properly enclosed in region. So just click escape and undo. So what you're going to do is we're going to click on this wall. On your properties panel, just go down under your constraints, under this constraint side, and look for room bounding and just click check it. So you do the same thing for all these other walls. Just hold down control, select this wall and this wall, and click room bounding. So you see that when you click on room, you'll be able to put in your walls because these walls are now room bounding walls. So just click put a room here, put one here, put one here, one here, one here, and like that. Before we start naming our rooms, like we would want to name this one maybe living room, but I don't want these numbers and I want to see the area on the room. So what you can just do is just click on this one and then come down here and just say tag room tag with area, right? But now we have the area now and we have the living room space, but we don't want this number. So just click on edit type and then untick this show room number. And you click apply, you have that. So okay, if you want this square meter to come closer to your text, what you can do is just click on it, click on edit family, takes you to a different space. So you can now draw this one too and draw the volume and the area side, and then just click load into project, override existing version, yes. So we have it closer now. So we're just going to click on this one, this one, this one, just highlight all of them and just click room tag with area. So that's what we have now, showing us the room with the area, and just click Ctrl S. So let's rename our other rooms. So we can name this one bedroom. We're going to name this one, let's just say WC. And then we're going to name this one closet. So we've done that and we can see the area for all of this. But now when we click on this living room, you see that the living room extends its boundary to this point, and this point isn't part of the living room. This point is a lobby. So how do we separate this lobby from the living room? It's easy. Go to your architecture tab. Under right beside the room tool that we used, we have the room separator tool. Just click on that and then come over here close to the wall and just click on the edge of the wall and click on the edge of the wall, and then just click escape. So when you do that, you see that when you click on your room, your living room is now limited to this area. So if we go back, if we click RM for room, you see that we're able to place another room on this spot. So let's change this to room with area, and then we are going to edit this. Just double click on it and we're going to write lobby. Easily we've created our spaces and we've labeled them. So how do we now get about creating our legends? You just go to your annotate tab. Under your color fill, we're going to pick a color fill legend. Just click on it and just put it by the side here. So now a pop-up is going to come up and it's going to ask you, how do you want your legend to appear? So we're just going to click on this one that says spaces and click on rooms. Because we don't have departments, we're going to use name. So we're just going to click that and click OK. So it has created our legend. So if you don't like these colors, you can adjust them. So what you just do is just double click on the legend and just click edit scheme. So over here, you can adjust the color of the bedroom to be pink or blue. Just click on it and change it to whatever color you would prefer. Click apply and okay. So that's it for how to create legends. You can try it on the first floor level too. Now that you're done, or basically done with your project, next thing you'd like to do is to print your project. So just go to sheet, right click and click on new sheet. So let's click on our A0 metric paper. We're just going to click OK. So you see that Autodesk gives you this template which you can adjust. There'll be a separate tutorial for how to adjust this template or customize it to your own setting. But for now, let's use this. So let's put in our ground floor plan. So just click on it, hold it down and just drag into the space. That's it. you've been able to bring in your floor plan. So if you activate view here, you are able to edit the scale of your drawing. If you want it to be bigger, if you want it to be smaller, you are able to edit the crop region of your drawing. So like now, let's say we don't want all these elevation arrows to show, we can just crop it in like this, and you can either adjust it manually or just edit the crop around here. And then when we're done, we're going to unclick this one, turn off the light on this one so that we don't see it anymore. So when we're done, we're going to right click and deactivate view. We've been able to easily put in our ground floor plan. So let's say we want to put in our 3D view. How do we do that? We just go under 3D view on our project browser, same way we put in our first floor plan, drag and drop. But we can see that it's a lot smaller than our floor plan, and we want it to maybe fill the page a little bit more. So we can activate the view, and then when we activate the view, we can edit the size to 800, change this to scale proportion and apply, so that it's not really disturbing our project. You can just move it to the side, and you see that we have our floor plan and our 3D view in one space. You can add as many things as you want to this page. We can even maybe put in one elevation, maybe east elevation. So when you put that in, we can adjust the scale. Just click on activate view, then just change the scale over here to maybe 1 to 50. Let's reduce the crop region, click on that, adjust this one. Yeah, so click on this, hide it, and then deactivate view. So yeah, so far we have our east elevation and we have our 3D view all on one sheet. When you're done with all of this, just click Ctrl S. So to print your work, all you have to do is just click Ctrl P, or you can come over here and click on File and click on Print. Either way works. So want to make this PDF, Adobe PDF. Since we have just one sheet, we're just going to click on this one, and then you can select where you want your project to be saved to. So I don't mind if my project is saved to this folder, and I'm going to click OK. So we're going to click selected views / sheets. Just click on this one, then click on select. So we're going to click on the sheet name. This sheets A101-unnamed, and we're going to click OK. We're going to click on this setup, so you can set the size. We're going to set the paper size to A0, landscape. Just leave the rest and just click OK. Then we're going to click on OK. So now our project has opened up over here, and we see that this is our PDF. Signing out is Lola of Tom.